London mayoral candidate Howard Cox claims Sadiq Khan knows his regime is breaking the law. Sadiq Khan and TfL have been accused of ignoring a legal ruling ordering them to refund unlawful, low-emission zone, ULEZ, fines. Noel Wilcox, the boss of Elevation Access, has now launched a crowdfunding website to continue his fight in the courts against what he claims are ULEZ and ULEZ signs. Scaffolding company owner Mr. Wilcox has accused Transport for London of resorting to what he called buIIy-boy tactics, by ignoring the ruling, handed down by a traffic tribunal court 2 years ago. Mr. Wilcox went to court after being slapped with a dizzying £11,500 in fines related to his company truck driving to and from a depot in northwest London. The area was within the capital's low emission zone, which relates to heavy, diesel-powered vehicles. Mr. Wilcox, from Berkhamsted, who is also the Reform UK's parliamentary candidate for Hemel Hempstead, said, "I am convinced that the ULEZ and ULEZ signs are wrong. And I'm also convinced that motorists are being charged unlawfully." He added, "This isn't just about getting his or others' money back. It's about decency, values, and the sort of world we want to live in." Despite winning his case, Mr. Wilcox has not been repaid a penny, he claimed. Howard Cox, London mayoral candidate for Reform UK and the founder of the Fair Fuel UK campaign, added, "Sadiq Khan's Transport for London has not only acted irresponsibly in how they have treated Noel Wilcox, they have now shown their true deceitful political morals and how low they will stoop to avoid scrutiny. They were beaten in a law court by this brave small businessman who showed unequivocally all ULEZ road signage is indeed illegal. Yet Khan's brainwashed and scaremongering transport team believe they are above the law. By going after Noel personally, and refusing to pay back his fees and charges, as ordered by the court, TfL had proven that it, consciously fleecing drivers with emissions charges and fines illicitly, Mr. Cox added. Speaking of the London mayor himself, he added, "Khan knows his regime is breaking the law. ULEZ operates 24 hours a day, including during holidays, with vehicles required to pay up to £300 a day or face heavy fines." The ultra-low emission zone was rolled out to all 36 London boroughs on August 29, despite the anger of many motorists. ULEZ, which targets smaller vehicles, both diesel and petrol-driven ones, requires cars to comply with emissions standards or pay £12.50 a day. This includes cars, motorcycles, vans and specialist vehicles, up to and including 3.5 tons, and minibuses, up to and including 5 tons. Failure to do so can likewise result in large fines. A TfL spokesperson said, "The ULEZ signs were deemed lawful by the DFT in 2008. Due to a processing error, the correct evidence was not supplied to the adjudicator in time in this case.